the rabbit planned to talk to the king so that he will eat light every day. So let's see how he is going to talk. I'm going to talk to our beautiful and precious and lovely lion. Oh, King, I'm here. Don't scare me. I'm here in order to tell one thing to you.
What are you want to tell to me?
You are eating so much, and because of that, we are running out of animals in this forest. So I just want to tell, eat only one in a day, so that you will be stomach filled, as well as we also live little bit long in the years. Please.
Okay, I take it into the consideration, but one condition for it.
What it is?
You have to give one animal every day. And you have to send it to my cave. I will not go anywhere, okay?
Okay. Like this, the rabbit talked to king, and you know, one day that rabbit has to go to lion as a prey, as a food. You know, so the rabbit is thinking about it, and the rabbit friends are talking. You don't get your voice, but see, now you yourself caught. So let's see how this rabbit going to escape from the lion. You know, you're going to die today. That lion going to eat you. I'm really sad. You're the only friend I have. Hey, don't worry. I know when I am giving this idea to people, I know that I will be one day in this position. And I have idea to escape and save our lives. Oh, wait and watch. You go and stand behind that old well. I will come and call you. Until that, you shouldn't come. Okay, my dear friend.
Where is my prey? Where is my prey? I am hungry.
Yogi, I'm here.
Why are you late? I'm so hungry.
Sorry, my lord. I am coming for all the way, and when I'm coming here, I saw one lion like you.
What you said? You saw a lion like me? How it is possible?
Yes, my lord. I also think of it, but I saw exactly same like you, and he is telling that he is the king.
What he said? I am the one looking for the jungle.
Yes, I know. That is why I left one of the prey to that lion and came to seek your help, my lord.
Okay, let's go and see. Come.
Please come.
Okay.
See, there is a cave in that. There is a cave in that well, and that person, that lion is there.
Okay, let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Who are you? Why you came here? I I am the only king for this jungle. Let me counter. Ah!